So hello everyone. In today's class, we'll be looking at how to do the horizontal lookup, which is otherwise called as the H lookup. So if you remember how we had done the VLOOKUP, the lookup list or the table array that we had done it vertical. The lookup list was done in a vertical manner. Whereas for the H lookup, we'll have the lookup list or the table array in a horizontal manner. So this is the difference that you have between the VLOOKUP and the H lookup. The lookup list or the table array, you will place it in a vertical manner in VLOOKUP and in a horizontal manner in your H lookup. The same example we have taken that we have done for the VLOOKUP. So we're going to calculate the priority star rating for the different order priorities that we have. So we have created a lookup where we have the first row as the priority, low, medium, high, critical and not specified. And the second row, we are going to put the stars. So for low, medium and not specified, we have 1 star. For high, we have 2 stars. And for critical, we have 3 stars. So this is the lookup table array that we're going to refer to for the order priorities that we have in the A column. So for typing the H lookup, you just start typing it and Excel throws the formula that is present or inbuilt in Excel. You just have to double click on that, and if you notice, the 4 input values that we need to give over here are very similar or exactly the same as we had given in the VLOOKUP. So the first input is the lookup value, which is the value that we need to look up, that is in column A. So this is the value that we need to look up. In the table array, this is going to be our table array. So this is going to be our table array from where we need to look that particular value. And in this particular table array, since we do not want this particular array to shift when we copy the formula to the other remaining cells, so we're going to fix it with the help of a dollar symbol. Once done, you go to the third input, which is row index number. So here, instead of column index number, we have to enter the row index number because our horizontal lookup is placed horizontally. So it is in different rows. So if you see, priority is in row 1 and star rating is in row 2. So the row index number that we'll be referring to in our lookup table array is row 2, comma, the range lookup. Now since we're going to look for an exact match in column A and the lookup table array that we have, so we're going to choose false and close the brackets and just click on enter. So you see, for the order priority low, we are getting 1 star rating over here, which is the same as the one which we have in the lookup table array. When you go to the corner of the cell and just double click on that, you will see the formula getting populated across the remaining cells and the star rating also getting populated. So this is the very first case where you have an exact match scenario. Now let's look at the second scenario, which is the approximate match. Now here again we will start typing the H lookup formula. The first one is the lookup value, which is nothing but the order quantity over here. And then the table array, here we have the quantity in the first row and the discount that needs to be given in the second row. So we're just going to choose the lookup table array and we're going to fix that. So we're going to put the dollar symbol. The next one is the row index number. Here again, if you notice, row 1 is quantity and row 2 is discount given. So the row index number that will be referring for our discount will be 2. So we're going to enter 2 again. And the last one is range lookup. Now if you see, we cannot search for an exact match in this particular scenario. So here in this scenario, we need to look for an approximate match, uh, which means that the number which I have over here should be an approximate match with respect to the quantity which is given in the lookup table array. So here we're going to choose true, which is the second scenario that we are looking into. And close the brackets, click on enter, and you will get the first output. So for order quantity 26, you're going to give a discount of 0.03. So if you look into the lookup table array, you will see that 26 falls between 20 and 30. So here they have taken the order quantity 20 and given a discount of 0.03. Likewise, when you do it for all the other remaining cells, you can calculate the discount that needs to be given. So more or less, the VLOOKUP and the HLOOKUP are both similar. The only difference is how you place your lookup table array. Depending upon that, you will have to choose whether it's going to be the VLOOKUP or the HLOOKUP. So I hope you have understood how to perform the horizontal lookup. Thank you.